brand. The Japanese brand. How many of you all love Kawasaki? So I want a big round of applause for Kawasaki for bringing back the Ninja 300 after a long wait. Alright guys, so we're gonna do this a bit differently. Usually all unveils happen where somebody from the store comes in or somebody from the brand comes in and unveils the bike. But this time I'm gonna give that privilege to all of y'all, right? So we're gonna come back to that. I'm gonna take you through a little bit about the Ninja series altogether. The Ninja 300 takes its DNA from the Kawasaki Tenor. How many of you have seen a Tenor? The ZX Tenor. The ZX Tenor is the epitome of super sport motorcycling in the world. It's a well-renowned motorcycle. As you can see here, multiple times Superbike World Championship awardee, right? The Kawasaki Ninja 300 takes its DNA and its blood from that very motorcycle. Now, I think just after the lockdown got over, I came back because I'm a personal favorite for this bike. I came down, I still remember asking Nandini here, where is the Ninja 300? And she said, no, I have no idea. Well, Kawasaki's been working on refining this motorcycle, making it more better, making it more poised to the Indian consumer. Because it's specially and only available for the Indian consumer. Well, isn't that awesome?
Yes.
You guys are not excited. Yes. Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
Well, what cc is the Ninja 300 motorcycle?
296.
You don't need to do anything here. 298. No.
296.
Is it a parallel twin or an inline twin?
Parallel drive.
Sales guys, we don't need no job, sorry. We know everything. Let's ask another trivia question. How many liters is a tank?
17.
You have studied them carefully. What is the front? This is going to be a tough one. The front telescopic forks. What's the mm on that? Front forks. 180. No, that's you're talking about disc. Any idea?
290.
Okay, is it a telescopic fork or an upside down fork?
Telescopic.
What's the mm on it?
40. 37.
Very close. Very hot. 39 mm is the front telescopic fork suspension. But they've done something else to it. They've also tweaked the suspension setting to ensure you have very good riding condition both on broken roads, on clear tarmac, and for an exuberant sport riding. Now that's the biggest difference that I see because I've ridden the old 300 extensively. Any idea what's the rear tire size?
140 by 17.
Too big. 170 is too big.
150.
140 by 17.
140 mm is the rear tire size. Any idea what the new 2021 Ninja 300 comes with? What tires? You don't have to doubt. Just say the answer. MRF. The Ninja 300 comes with a MRF Zappa tire, giving you utmost quality in terms of grip, both on wet and dry and broken road conditions. What else can I ask? What's the BHP of this?
39.
38.
I think I'll go home, Manan. Exactly. So 39 PS is the brake horsepower of the Ninja 300, which is again refined and retuned to make sure you get that sport riding feel, the exhilarating feel that comes out of the Ninja series. Okay, now there are certain technical stuff that I'll get into. The Ninja 300 comes with, you know what the engine is made of? There's a head, the head of the motorcycle. There's something here called the head, which comes in the motor of the engine. It's made of a material. Do you know what material it is? Somebody said something. Huh? You can say it out loud.
Aluminum.
Aluminum. Do you know what aluminum does? Why it's important to have an aluminum head? Any idea? Any guesses?
Lightweight.
Lightweight. You don't know, very important thing. But a lot of the other bikes face a problem with it. Especially, I don't want to call out names, but it's also a competition. Like the Duke 390 or the KTM. Heat dissipation. Aluminum helps the bike to be extensively well managed with its heat. You will never feel the heat on your body, you will never feel the heat of the motorcycle on you, and it does not overheat. Another reason being, it's got what type of cooling? Oil cooling or liquid cooling?
Liquid cooling.
Liquid cooling. I feel like a professor. This is great. Alright. Anything else? Okay, it's got how many throttle valves?
4.
Dual
Double.
throttle valves. giving you a very, very efficient fuel delivery, which ensures a very linear drive. Now, this is very technical, right? What does linear drive means? When you open the throttle, it's very smooth. There's no brake in the power band. That's what dual throttle valves give. And the piston is made of, again, the same component, aluminum, giving it better durability, better life, and better heat dissipation. So overall, heat will never be an issue. Do you agree? I'm just asking you. Do you think heat will be an issue?
No.
As far as the testing is concerned, everybody says that heat is never an issue. I am also a person, I've done 1300, it was a 1300 kilometer ride in one day, and there was no problems on the bike. So overall, the Ninja 300 is finally here. The 2021 model is better, faster, quicker, and just the bike to have. It is the most coveted, the most amazing sub 400cc motorcycle, and at an incredible price tag. Back in the day, a 300 would cost you a lot of money. Today, it's becoming more and more affordable. And why? Because Kawasaki wants to ensure that for their Indian consumers, they want to give the best at the most efficient rates. Okay, is there anything else you want to know about the bike? Since you already know everything.
What about mileage?
Mileage, I'll come to it. Average on an Indian specific, you will get between 25 to 30. Yes. Anything else? Any other doubts? Or shall we move into unveiling the bike?
Yes.
I will only do this if you are excited. Shall we unveil the bike?
Yes.
Okay, for this I want to invite a very senior person in Ride Venture Motorcycle, Bengaluru, Mr. Deepak, who is the managing director. I would like him to come and first cut the ribbon. So can you all make some space a little bit? And I'd also like to invite Mr. Pawan here to join in for the cutting. One! Everybody pull out your phones. Okay, I want a few of the Kawasaki team to also join in here. Okay, so a few, about 5 of you all go here, please. And we are establishing ourselves as a premium segment motorcycle manufacturer. And we want to make sure our consumers also share that journey with us. Are you guys ready? Okay, you guys have to do the countdown with me, okay? It's 3, 2, 1 and they lift off. Yes? Are you all ready? Please hold a piece of the cloth. Don't remove it yet. Sir, you give it. All ready?
Yeah.
Okay, one before we start this, I want you all to guess how many colors are there?
3.
Three.
What are the colors?
Ebony, lime green,
And KRT.
and KRT.
Candy green,
Lime green,
and ebony, right? Can you all guess which is which color? I'll give one chance. This is KRT. KRT, that is,
Ebony,
and that is,
lime green.
so lime green, KRT, ebony. We'll see if this is correct. Whoever gets it right will get one extra Coke bottle. Okay? Alright guys, ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
In 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Ebony, KRT. Woo!
Oh, everybody got the guess right?
Yes.
Thank you all guys. And there you go.